Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new video. And this week on the Magic Roundabout we're going to be playing with a Dinky Toys Trojan van, delivery van. This one is the dark green version with the something jelly, Chivers jelly or something like that on the side of it. Anyway, so we've got the green one. So it's obviously being overpainted with a bit of black. They made 3 or 4 different versions of these with different liveries. So we're going to keep this one to the original green. There was a lighter green, which was the apple or something version, lighter green than this. Anyway, as you watch this go round, as usual, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. And welcome to my old subscribers, old favourites. Thanks for your support. It's greatly appreciated. It makes it all worthwhile. And hopefully I'll keep you entertained. Right, let's get this off here then and have a good look at it then. Here we are then. Let's have a look at the bottom. Dinky Toys Trojan van. 2 posts to drill out. Wheels. No tyres. These will be 15-inch smooths because of the age of the vehicle. We've got some details on the front. We've got the grille, headlights, bumper. It's a short bumper, it's not broken. Back doors don't open. That's it really, there's not a lot to it. I think I'll be leaving these axles in, as usual, because they're in there. Might as well, won't hurt it. Okay. Right. Let's get her stripped. Okay. She's drilled out. I've only just drilled the rivets out. I haven't done anything major to it. There you go, it's rusty inside and out. So that one a good clean up. That's rusty in there, look, you can see that. Bit mucky. Can't really see the original green. Yeah, you can. Just a bit of the original green in there. Maybe a bit of forest green or something to do that. So he's got to clean up around these posts. Around there, get a file on them and drill those out. So we'll do that in a bit. Just want to check my rivets on us. I might want to use the smaller ones. Yeah, they should be alright. Yeah, these will be okay. So I want 2 rivets leaving out. There we go. And a drill bit. That's it then. So it's caustic soda time. And we'll get this little beauty off and see how we go. Let me see how we go. I'll just look at that. Yeah, that's alright, yeah. Just a little bit on the P. Right, anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the axles in. There's not a lot of give on them, to be honest with you. A bit there. But I can clean, they'll come off with the caustic soda, clean them up, mask them off and paint it black. Because you won't see the inside of the axles. I think the chassis, yeah, it's a little bit bent there. It'll straighten that out. The pliers on that, pull that straight. When it's been soldered. Okay then. We're going to the stripper, Here we are, the stripper. Put the 2 bits of the old Trojan in here. Kettle's boiled. We'll get some water in here. Here we go. Hang on. Better turn the fan on. Some there in the other tank. flip that over on its side. Better. Oh yeah, when it's back, that'll do. Right, there we go then. What's that? Fizzing away there, fizzing away. Wheezy, wheezy, wheezy. Clean out the tub. Clean out the tub. That back. Alright. Let's have a quick look then, shall we? See what we got. See what's happening. Oh yeah. Defo. Look at that. Straight off. No messing. Yeah, we're liking this. We are liking this. Yeah. You know what, I've just had a really, really nice dinner. I've had liver, onions, mashed potatoes, Yorkshire pudding, cauliflower, carrots. Oh man, it was gorgeous. You can tell winter's coming on, can't you? First time I've had a real big proper meal for ages. Normally in the summer we're like snacking, you know? But yeah. God, stuff now, I could be lying down having siesta. That's what I should be doing. Look at that. Lovely jubbly. That's off. That's going in a cleaning tank. So that's the chassis. Some old rust off it. Yeah, that's coming up nice. Coming up nice. Coming up, smelling the roses. There you go. Yeah, that's got all the paint off. Yeah. Well done, boys. That's it. Okay. Catch you in a bit. Right, we're going to give this a quick polish up. I shan't do it all on camera as usual, just show you how it comes up. There we go. No serious pitting on this one, which is good. Which is good. There we go. I'll just remove two casting lines, one going across there, one going across there, because they were ugly and I didn't like them. So they're gone. But that's actually the only two what shouldn't be there. So there you go. Just show you the grill being cleaned up. Nice grill. I like this grill. Nice. Right. Right, I'm going to carry on with this then, and I'll catch you when it's Done. Okie dokie dokie. Right. It's all shined up. Ready for its primer. The base. Okay. So that's it really. So what I'm going to do is get this primed up. And get this sorted out. Get the green on the wheels, on the hubs. Let them dry, then mask it up and then spray the black. That's the way we're going to go with that. So I'll catch you when it's all primed. Detail painting time on the old Trojan. Okay, now these ones, the radiator shroud was painted the body colour. So we won't be doing that. We're going to try and get these fins. First of all, I'm going to do the lights. Sort these lights out. Get them in there. Oh, brush is a bit bent at the end, look. I keep saying I'm going to treat myself to some new brushes. I think it's going to be sooner rather than later. Sooner rather than later. Not sure what sort to get really. We'll see. We'll have a look. Well, that's the lights. Do the front bumper. We will do the front bumper. Like I said, I'm not going to show it all. So, excuse me. Right. This down here. Give it a bit of bling. Give it a bit of bling. Right, that's your lot. So fill that last little bit in this bumper here. Get round that edge. Just get every time you move it in a different light, you see a bit that you've missed. Oh, you've got a dry bit there. And you see a bit that you've missed. So it's always worth moving around in your hands and checking everything before you do it, before you call it done. Right, that's 6 minutes. Okay, so we've got the lights, we've got the bumper. Just got to do that grill bit now. And I'm going to need my double bifocals on for that one. It's decal time. Right, I'll just show you what I've done with the details. I finished off the front grille, as I was doing before. I put the back indicator lights and back brake lights, and I put a number plate on. Done the door handles. Now, what I've done, I've put this one sticker on this side, decal on this side. So I'm going to do this other one on camera. Okay, fairly straightforward really. So I've had the decal in water for a minute, so we'll get that out. First of all, we better put some water on here, because sometimes if you don't put some sort of liquid, water or something on here, the decal will grab it. It will grab, and you'll have a job getting it to come off. So we'll just slide that off. Like so. And try and get it in position before it sticks too hard. Just move it a little bit. I ain't gonna move. Oh God. This ain't gonna move. Okay. This happens sometimes. It does grab the paint sometimes. So what we're going to do is just to get it off. Just put it in the water a minute. Just let it float there for a little while. Put some more water on here. Try again. Here we go. Like we say, nothing always goes according to plan. Try and keep it in shot, lad. Try and keep it in shot. There we go. Now it's moving. Now we can get it somewhere near. Looks about level. Looks about level. I'll get my cotton bud then and just roll it around. Get it flat. You can see me doing that. Could get all the air bubbles out without creasing it. Trying to keep it level. Just stroke it gently. Stroke it, lad, stroke it. Then just roll it down. Making sure you've got no creases in it. Roll it across. Do this gently. Just a little bit of pressure. And just get it in the light and see if there's any creases anywhere. There's a little bit here. Just a little bit there. Get it all sealed down around the edges. I think that's just a bit here. Excuse me if the light's reflecting off my hand. But there you go. As you can see in the light now, that you can just see that there's no creases in it. That's cool. We can go with that. I like to put a bit of this microsol, which is the red one. It softens the decal and helps it adhere to any contours. I just like to put that on so it seals around the edges. You don't have to do this stage if you haven't got any. It doesn't matter. It's just I've got it and I use it, so there you go. The thing is with this stuff, once you put it on, don't touch it again, because it softens up the decal to the point of really thin. So if you start trying to move it or mess about with it, you're liable to tear it. Okay, so that's it then. Both sides done. So we'll leave that to go off, and then we can put it together. Okay, we'll see you at the assembly stage. Assembly time. Assemble. Not disassemble, assemble. Right, not many bits to this. We're all dried off now. So, quite simple. Make sure you get the base plate round the right way. Axles facing out with these ones. Okay. Drop that in the back. Drop there like that. Bit of super duper. Here we go, put a drop in there. Get your rivière, pick it up. I was never very good at chopsticks either. Drop that one in there. Spin around, it's easy for me. Drop in there. That's it. We're done. We are done. Right. Give that a minute too to set up. Call me flipping hands. And then we'll get on a magic roundabout. See you in a minute. This is what we started with. Dinky Toys Trojan van. Overpainted. No tyres. Play worn. Dinky Toys Trojan van. There we go. This is what we started with. Okay then, here we have it. Dinky Toys Trojan van. This one is the Chivers Jelly in the darker green with the lighter green hubs. Come out quite nice. Got the chrome bars and the grille. Headlights, chrome bumper. Handlebars. Or door handles. And we come round to the back. We've got the handle at the back there. Registration plate. Lights. And that's it. So, there you go. Chivers Jelly. This is a very nice one. This is an easy one for beginners, especially. Ideal for them because there's no interior, no glass. Just two straightforward rivets. You don't have to take the axles off if you don't want to. There you go. So that's another one completed. Onwards and upwards to the next one. Thanks very much for watching, and thanks for subscribing. It's much appreciated. Okie dokie then. Bye for now.